Hi, this is Dan Hark here from Tremble Digital, and in this e-session we'll be talking about how to add variations to a product in WooCommerce. A variation is it's a different type of product. The products you might be using up to this point are called simple products. A variable product is one that can have different sizes or different colors or any number of different configurations. In this simple explanation, we'll just be adding some sizes to it. So by the end of this e-session, the customer will be presented with a drop-down box here, which will allow them to select the size of the item. So we've got the size, we've got the item open right now. It's a leopard print tutu jumpsuit with matching beanie, and we'll add some sizes to it. So we'll head over to the back end, where I've already got the product open, and yeah, so we come down here to the product data, and you can see what I was talking about a second ago. The product is a simple product in this case. What we'll do is we'll change this and we'll make it a variable product, which means that it's a product that's capable of having sizes and things. And then we are going to come here to attributes. And we click that, and this is where we're able to add the sizes that this product comes in. So what it's expecting is a custom product attribute, and that's what we want to add in this case, so we click add. Right, so name, that's going to be what shows up above the drop down. So in this case, it's going to be as simple as size. And then it's also asking us for the values. Now this is going to be what is in the drop down. So in this case, it's a series of sizes of this child's outfit. So I will just paste those in. Now you can see here we've pasted it in and it's got commas. Now WooCommerce isn't happy with that. We have to do it in a specific fashion. What it's looking for is what's called a pipe, which is this straight line that goes up, down. And I like to put spaces there. So that's how it should be looking. These are the different sizes that are going to be available for this product. Now we're not quite finished. What we need to select is visible on the product page, which means that when we're in our product page here, there's going to be a drop down and it's going to be visible. And also, going back to the back end, used for variations, which means that we're going to be able to use each size as a variation. So that's pretty much perfect. So we're going to say save attributes. Now you are able to add as many attributes as you like. In this case, we'll just add one to keep it simple and quick. Alright, so that's done. Now we just click variations, because we have to set a price, and we can set other things for each variation as well. What we're going to do, for the sake of it, we'll click link all variations, which will give us a variation for each attributes that we created a second ago. So it's asking us, do you want to link all the variations? And in this case, yes. Going on in the future, you might create so many attributes that the variations will be the set of variations is going to be prohibitively large. So you need to be careful of that. But for this example, where it's just one, we're not so worried. Alright, so you can see here, I hope you can see anyway, it's opened up a new set of product data for each of the sizes. You can see here 3M was one of the sizes, 6M and 9M. Now we're able to enter sale prices and download limit, all that sort of stuff, if you like, specifically for each variation. But the only thing that we're actually mandated to enter is the price. So for each of these variations, we need to enter a price, and I will just check the price. The price is $30, so we'll grab that, and we'll come back to the back end here, and in each of these ones, we'll put the price. Okay, it's not very happy, but it's good. Okay, and that's really all we have to do. We will set a default, and the default is going to be 3 months. It's better that you do that. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to click update now. Alright. So that's updated. So we'll just wait for it to finish loading. And now if I refresh this product, you can see here now we're presented with a drop down that allows us to select the size. So if we change it, say 6M, and we say add to cart, okay, you can see here that the size is listed in the checkout. And that's it. We've succeeded. You're able to do that for all products. And yeah, if you add a few different variations with a few different attributes, then you'll need to add a size. Sorry, you'll need to add a price for each of them. And yeah, you're right to go after that. I hope you've enjoyed the session, and we'll see you around for the next one.